We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
And I'm Joseph Lin. All right, this month there's a special thing going on with the Hakka Affairs, and they're looking out for the best MV out there. 来 ，Alice 来介绍一下，你知道这个客家音乐 MV 创作大赛的事情吗？
我知啊。2006客家音樂 MV 創作大賽發動會開始了，一個期間係到7月底，7月31號為止哈。而有請國內外嘅創作歌手向下來挑戰一個傳統客家 MV 哦。
我完全聽得懂，因為呢，我手上有一張翻譯的。So they are looking out for the best Hakka song MVs out there, okay? If you have some great ideas, just make up a music video for a traditional pop or children's Hakka song, and you can win up to 200,000 NT. Now, this event is going to go on all the way till the end of July, end of this month, so don't forget, okay? Okay, so I want to teach a few categories right here that is found in this MV competition. 有几个想要教大家，因为他们有几个组啊，蛮特别的。一个是传统歌谣组，传统歌谣怎么说？
傳統歌謠組。
Okay, 傳統歌謠 that's traditional folk songs, okay? How about 現代流行歌曲啊 pop songs?
現代流行歌曲。
現代流行歌曲 okay?
還有一個童謠組。
童謠組哦 children's 哦，是不是？
對，
童謠組 OK? 最佳創意獎，創意怎麼說？
創意。
創意。
創意獎。創意獎。
創意獎 okay? And finally, special effects. Perhaps you can make something like The Matrix. And 特效獎。
特效獎。
特效獎 Okay, so those are the some of the interesting categories you can find in this competition. For more information, you can always log on to the website. 来，网址用客家话报告一下。
OK， 冇問題。
客家話哦。
好，客家話哦。www.hakka.gov.tw。
這哪是哈卡，這是英文嘛？
那英文要用客家話咩？愛用圖嘅呀。
對，好。網址當然不能用客家話。OK, www.hakka.gov.tw, or you can call this number 0227081000. Okay, for more information, or if you want to sign up. And good luck to you. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.